So how to use this jade roller is you first start with rolling your face towards your ear from the cheeks. You can do this like 5 times, 5 to 10 times, and then repeat on the other side of your face. Next, you can go to your neck, which you put it from down to up motions, and you can do this for 5 to 10 times. Okay, next is you do your forehead. You can start from the middle and you do it like 5 to 10 times each portion of the forehead. And then now you're gonna move on to the small part of the jade roller, and you can use this to massage your eye like very gently outwards. You can do this 5 to 10 times as well, and then do it on the other side. Or if you feel that it's a little bit too difficult for you to go right at the under eye, you can actually use this motion, this very light motion, to very lightly massage your under eye. And I also like to do it along the bridge of my nose. You can do it 5 to 10 times as well. And then even at the eyebrows using the small part, just to give it like more blood circulation at that area. Repeat at the other side. And lastly, you can use it at the jawline with the small part. Next is you use that same part and then you just go a little bit harder on that part. And so we are all done.